Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Maths class. Today, students, we will do some revision on word problems. So, let us start. Let us solve some word problems. Number 1. Read the question first very nicely. Let us start. There are 34 apples in a basket and 25 mangoes. How many total fruits are there in a basket? So, how many apples? 34 apples. How many mangoes? 25 mangoes. So, what you have to find out? How many total fruits are there in a basket? So, total means we have to do the addition. Okay? So, we will underline this also. How many total fruits are there in a basket? So, let us start. First, we will write solution. I am not writing the full. Already you know it. Solution. Then what we will write? We will write ones and tens. Now we will arrange these numbers. 34. 34 apples. 25 mangoes. And what we will give here, we'll write here plus sign. Then now we will solve this addition. So 4 plus 5. Count. You scan in your fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5. So apples, mangoes. We have to write here fruits. 59 fruits. These are called the statements. In what problem? Statements are very important. So now, last step is answer. So what I will write? 59 fruits are there in a basket. Is it clear? So, from solution to this answer, total you have to write like this. Let us go to the second one. Sonam plucked 16 flowers. Priya plucked 12 flowers. How many flowers both of them plucked in all? So you see, total, all. Remember, all these are related with addition. So, how many flowers Sonam plucked? 16 flowers. How many flowers Priya plucked? 12 flowers. So, what I will do? I I will write the solution. Ones, tens, then 16 and 12. 16 flowers, 12 flowers, then here plus sign. Now I will solve the addition. 6 plus 2, 8, then 2. So how many total flowers? 28 flowers. So what will be the answer? Answer 28 flowers. You have to find out answer from here. How many flowers? Both of them plucked in all. So 28 flowers plucked in all. Okay, let us go to the third one. In a class, there are 32 boys and 26 girls. What is the total number of students in the class? So first read the question full. Then find out the numbers. In a class, how many boys? 32. Underline it. Then 26 girls. This also you underline. Now what you have to find out? Total number of students. Okay? Let us do solution. How many boys? 32 boys. How many girls? 26 girls. What I will write here? Yes. Then I will do the addition. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is the answer? What is the total number of students? So, total number of students in the class. So, here I will write students. Then the next step is answer. You have to write it. Answer is 58 students are there in the class. Okay. So, like this you will find out and write it. Let us go to the next sum. See what is written. Read with me. John had 62 candies. Jenny gave 24 more candies to John. How many candies John has altogether? Okay. So, how many candies John had? 62. Jenny gave 24 more candies. Okay. So, what I will do? More. Means 62 already John had and Jenny gave 24 more. So, remember this more. It is related with addition. Solution. Let us do it. 62 candies. Then again 24 candies. Now I will add it. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 2, how much? 8. Okay. So 86. How many candies John has altogether? Altogether, this is also related with addition. So 86 candies. So answer I will write John has 86 candies all together. Okay? Now, the last one. Divya has 53 stickers. Her brother gives her 25 new stickers. How many stickers does she have now? So already Divya has 53 stickers. So her brother gave more. How many? 25 new stickers. So now total how many? Let us find out. Solution. How many stickers Divya has? Underline it. Then it will be easier for you. And her brother gave how many? 25 new stickers. So let us solve it. 53 stickers. Okay. Then 25 new stickers. Okay. Now 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So how many stickers does she have now? She have now how many? Total stickers? 78. So answer what I will write? Can anyone say? Yes. So 78 stickers she have now. Okay? So, like this, you have to write the word problem. Okay, students? These 5 sums, do it in your maths copy.
Hope students, you all have understood what problem and it is clear to you. So bye bye for today. See you in the next class.